we're gonna beat the game.
Yep.
I don't think you can. I think it's in like an endless loop. Like you can survive as long as you want.
Yeah, I think you can go as long as you want, but there comes a point where it's just there's too many fucking cannibals.
Oh, true.
It's just like, all right, I think it's time to unless your base is just like bomb ass, like they can't get in. You know what I'm saying?
Ours is gonna be bomb ass.
Fuck yeah. Oh, I'm
Ooh,
getting
this
cold.
Oh.
We need to
How
build
do
a
you?
fire.
Oh, it's fucking snowing.
Oh.
Look at this guy right here.
Oh, behind you.
Ow.
Okay, I'm gonna die.
No, don't die.
Oh, there's another cannibal here. Behind you,
Wait.
cat. He's whacking you in the face. Kevin, no.
Yeah.
So should we sleep here?
I
Is there a
would
tent?
reckon.
I can make one. Making one?
Yeah. Might as well.
Oh, I'm freezing.
Oh, I'm freezing. It's probably because of me. Let's save. Wait, new save. Wait, I didn't feel like I saved right.
And then I'm building a
Yes.
fire behind you guys. Oh, there's a fire right there. Never mind.
I'm
Alright.
shivering. Are we gonna freeze to death? What if we sleep right now?
I don't
You're
think
gonna
so.
wake up dead.
Ugh.
My guy's literally. Oh!
Oh my
wow,
God.
It turned snow.
Yeah.
Is it a different season or something?
It's
that's
gotta
cool.
be right.
We
That's-
probably have jackets that are warmer.
Oh yeah. Bottom right.
Winter jacket.
Oh, you're so smart. How do I do this? Bottom right, you said.
Yeah, all the way bottom right.
You have a winter jacket?
Cannibals.
Tactical
Cannibal.
jacket, winter jacket.
Oh yeah. I was already wearing it, but it didn't do anything.
Oh, he's like covered in the snow. Alright, y'all wanna leave this as like a cannibal hotspot?
Yeah, we should get the fuck
Oh wait,
outta
behind
here.
us. I want to just. Oh, another one.
Excuse my friend. He's dead tired.
Oh shit, I'm dead. Oh.
No! We can revive you.
Yeah,
Yeah, where are you?
it's okay.
Ow! Whoa, 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 whoa! Now I'm dead.
Oh, I'm down again.
Ain't gonna happen. I'm about to get down to it. Hold on. Shut up.
Now see, the cannibal lady is like crying over her dead person, and
Well, send
Well,
them to
I think
Valhalla
she'll just
together.
have to- she'll just have to join them. It's okay.
Ooh,
Oh, Dylan.
Holy.
this guy comes from.
Oh, watch out. This guy is strong. Get behind him. And...
oh shit!
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Guys, I'm down.
Yeah. Okay, where are you, cat? Oh my god, I'm down again. This is absurd, and there's more cannibals coming. What have we done?
Ow. Oh my god, I'm so glad we just saved.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Oh, I'm down again. I keep getting.
Oh my
second I
god,
get
there's
up.
Oh my
so
god!
many.
No.
Run! Run!
I can't run,
I got
can't.
Fam! Run! Run!
Dave! Dave!
Holy
Dave,
shit!
Run!
Do we have all of us?
I'm putting my shit up and I'm fucking going, yo.
Where's Kevin? Do we have
Is everyone
Kevin?
here? I
Fuck
don't
Kevin,
know.
he's ahead of us
Fuck
already.
Kevin. He's fine, he's fine. He already ran. I'm out of energy. No. Take an energy bar if you have to.
Are we even going in the right direction?
No clue.
I don't know.
We're not. We need to. Okay, as long as we're going down the hill, I think. I don't. Come to think of it, I
Oh
don't know
my
where our
God.
base is.
Dogs! Dogs!
As soon as
No.
I saw the two big rednecks, I was like, get the fuck out of here.
Oh, I wish we were recording that.